Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. My name is Francis. I want to show you a platform you can make money, real money, not just money but real money. Yes, this platform I have been using it for years and it's working for me. So now I want to show you exactly how it works. Exactly how it works. Yes. If you may like to know the website, just go to your search engine and type in uh, Timebucks is the website. Then if you log into the website, or if you sign up, first of all, you have to sign up into the website. If you sign up into the website, then it will bring you to this interface you are looking at now. It will bring to this interface you are looking at now, and this interface you are looking at is where you make the money. This is the dashboard. This is the dashboard. Okay, this is the dashboard. If you look at this, um my earning is $2.17, referral 0, a bonus $1.220, but my total wallet is 3.395. Then you can see my name here, Francis. Then there's a lot of ways of making money in this website. It starts with earning. Yes, this is a different way of making money on this site, you see, and the amounts they are going to credit your account if you complete the task. This is the amount. This is this surveyor. This is surveyor. This is 0.13. 0. This is 1.3. This is 0. This is 0.7. This is 0.875. This is 0.650. This is 0.325. This is 0.650. These are different individual that had been the account had been crediting 24 hours. Yes, this one is 29 minutes ago. 29 minutes ago, has account credited $0.1. This one is 30 minutes ago, 0.4. This one is 30 minutes ago. This is 0.0. A lot of, and even this one is Nigeria too. This one is Nigeria. So for you to see that it's not only in Europe or Americans that are making money out of this, is worldwide. A lot of people are participating in this platform and they are making good earning. So you can see a lot of people just like that. That's how. Okay, if you want to earn, then this is already, this is content. This is different categories. Okay, see here, this is content. This is content. Yes. Okay, the total campaign available for today is 13, and money available to earn is 0.013. Okay, then this is tax. This is tax. Look at this. This is a task you have to do for you to earn all this amount you are seeing now. All this amount you are seeing now is a task you have to perform. Yes. One thing about this website is that anytime if you complete a task, they don't waste time in crediting your wallet. They don't waste time crediting your wallet. See a lot of them. Look at as I'm going down. It's still popping up. A lot of them. A lot of them. Well, the fact is that this remain perfectly with your mobile phone. If you use your mobile phone, so it's not only with a PC. If you, I prefer using even mobile phone than PC because it allows you to complete the work easily than using laptop. So I prefer this. We prefer this. Mm. This is let's go to ladder. Okay, ladder. This one is people that have been making good money here. This one is $63. Okay, look at even in Nigeria. See this one now is $10.0. Their bonus, his bonus is his or her bonus is $20. See another Nigerian, the same thing. Okay, this is what I'm looking for. Yes, this is what I have submitted so far, and the approves. So this one now approved is a 0.017 dollar approved. This one, this one 0.004 approved, 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 approved. So if you look at it, that's how I will perform in this platform. And all this thing I have been using my mobile phone to do all these projects, all these tasks. So completing all these tasks. I have never used my laptop. I'm only using my mobile phone because it's even more faster and more understandable than even the laptop. So well, this are company that participating in the platform in terms of providing the task. They are the one that's advertising their products here. Yes, they're the one advertising their products here. Okay, that's the name of the company and see what they are promoting. Okay, you see, this one is welcome to Best Video Pocket Intro CPE free. This is free. They are ready to give you 22.59 dollars if you complete the task they are offering you here. So that's what it means. And all of this, all of this, all of this, all of this. There's a lot of them. There's a lot of them. So if you are ready to start making money in this website, you have to start by first of all signing into the platform. After signing into the platform, then you come to your dashboard and start making money. Yes, I've been using it and it's working for me, so there is no way it cannot work for you because yeah. So and there's one thing I wanted to show you, which is more encouraging if you want to join this platform. The method of payment. Okay, come to setting. That's where you set your payment method. Okay, yeah, payment method. I already settled my payment method. AIRTM, Litecoin. Everybody know about Litecoin, so you can use Litecoin, make some payment. They pay you through your Litecoin wallet. Then type in your wallet. As you can see, I'm using Litecoin. This is my Litecoin the wallet address. This is Litecoin, a Litecoin wallet address. So this is my, okay, this is PayPal, this Payer, this is Visa and Square. They have 6 option of payments that pay you in crypto, Litecoin, pay you in ARTM, Visa, Payer, PayPal and Square. Yes, so it's not only, and you know, cryptocurrency work around the globe. Yeah. So I'm happy to show you around this platform, believing that you will join to make money in this platform. And if you really um, appreciate what we are doing here, just click on subscription button and try to join the crew by following the link down my channel, link down to this video, and register so that I can start making money immediately. Don't waste time. There is no time to wait for making money, more especially online. So especially now. So I believe the online niche is the best way to start earning in hard currency so that you can wage your expenditure. Thank you and God bless you.